Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a Z28 Tribute. It is not an original Z. It does have all the Z28 badging and trim. Beautiful car, guys. Recent frame-up restoration. The car's finished in the factory burgundy metallic with the factory black vinyl interior. Of course, it's got those black Z28 stripes, front and rear spoilers. Pretty car, guys. I love the paint on this car. This car's got a good look to it. It's out of Tennessee, good solid Tennessee body. Healthy. Skip White Performance 3D3-stroker motor in it. I do have the paperwork on the engine. Car was restored like around 2015, so it's like a 4 or 5 year old resto. Very nicely done. Car's nice on the bottom. Like I say, a pounding 3D3-stroker motor in it. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, aluminum heads. Killer car, man. It's got a real good look to it. Really excited to get this car, man. This car is pretty. Love the color on this car. Chrome and stainless is nice. Again, it's got the front and rear spoilers on it. Car has a good look. Steel cowl hood. This car hits me strong, guys. I like this car a lot. Dash in there's nice. You can see it's got a pretty burgundy metallic on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. I saw a couple little touch-up marks. Not a whole lot, man. Car's got 72,000 original miles on it. Really didn't get a figure on what the miles are on the restoration. That's just a little wax, guys, if you see that. But it's only about 4 or 5 years old, so I'm sure it doesn't have many miles on it. Little touch-up mark there. You can always find something somewhere, guys. This car is nice and flat down the sides. Got the 15-inch GM rallies on it with the flat caps. I like it. It's got the Flowmaster exhaust. It's got the chrome or the stainless tips on it. Good looking car, man. Real good looking car. I like the flat caps. I'm not much of a top hat guy. I really like that flat cap look. It's got the front disc brakes. Again, 3D3-stroker motor. Muncie 4-speed behind it, Holley Performance dual feed, Edelrock air gap aluminum intake. It's got a real pretty set of valve covers on it, aluminum heads, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an MSD ignition box on it with a Pro Billet distributor. Car really looks good underneath the hood. Now, I'm going to tell you this. This car has an X77 D80 trim tag on it. And that firewall, it's saying it's a true Z. It's not a real tag, guys. That's just for display purposes only. This is not a real Z28. So somebody had that tag made. Good car too, man. Drives out good. Haven't been able to put much for miles on it just because of the, the crappy weather we got to deal with here, but this is a good car, good tight car. Leaving for a show in the morning. Hopefully I buy 20. That never happens anymore. Got to be a positive thinker, right? Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with a sports steering wheel, Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. 72,543 on the odometer, factory tach and gauges, even the clock works. I don't know about the radio. The radio comes on. I couldn't get a station though. I know all the gauges work. It is a X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. That's just wax, guys. 12-bolt rear end, 373 limited slip. It's got Caltrax bars on the rear. Does have frame connectors. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Good looking car, man. Couple little marks on the bumper. It's nice and clean underneath. That's the original interior too, guys. Gauges are nice and clean. Have Nathan fire it up here. Some little wear on that door handle. Again, my detail man's got a little spray wax. Sorry, guys. Again, healthy motor. I got the cam card for it. Got the paperwork on the engine. Aluminum heads. Car hits good, man. This is a good looking car. Works. Hit your parking brake, Nathan. It little works. Even the little light lights up. I know that other light's working. Yeah. No reverse lights. Car gets, it's ours. This car's quick, guys. This car will get you hurt if you're not careful. Gauges are all working. The radio comes on. I'm not getting power to it. The blower motor did work. Oh, there it is. I know those lights work, man. Oh, that's right there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also keep track of us on our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.